Ian Marsh here, author of The Inconvenient Truth About Business Success. And I'm going to be giving you a pretty amazing and very simple strategy that's going to put an immediate 10% or even more onto your bottom line straight away. Are you interested? Okay. But before I share that, I want to talk to you about an inconvenient truth. I understand I've worked with literally thousands of companies, from the largest multinationals right down to the smallest plumber on the corner street. And there's one thing I see time and time again, and that is that the business owner devalues their worth to the community. So let me ask you a question. When was the last time you went and saw what your competitors were doing and what they were charging? I'll tell you now, I'm actually working with a plumber at this very moment that is charging an incredibly small amount per hour for what he's doing compared to those competitors around him. And I asked him a question. I said, well, why are you charging this? Are you a shitty plumber? You know, are you embarrassed to have a contractor's license? And, you know, A, he's a pretty big bastard, he nearly hit me, but B, he then thought about it and said, well, you know what? I am so much better as a plumber than a lot of these other guys I see around. You're right. Why am I only charging this amount of money? So, ladies and gentlemen, have a look at your costings. Have a look at why you charge what you charge, and then seriously look at having a price increase. Now, you want to do it strategically. There's a method to doing it so you don't upset too many people. But you've probably got every chance that you can simply increase your prices, and there's an additional 10% or more that goes on your bottom line. How'd you like that? Are you dancing in the lounge room right now? Or do you want to slap me because it was so simple and you haven't done it earlier? Well, I don't know, but hopefully I can help.
Hello Ian, it's Andrew from Just Showers. I just wanted to thank you very much for the help that you've given to date. Even just putting in place one recommendation that you made, I've been able to immediately, in fact literally overnight, increase my bottom line by 12.5%. And to tell you the truth, I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled, and thank you very much.
Now, what I see most business owners do when they want more work or think they want more money is actually cut their prices by 10%. And they think, oh, that'll get me more business. But I'm here to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, when you reduce your prices by 10%, in many situations you nearly need to do 100% more in sales to get the same sort of profit. Crazy stuff. Yes, I'm telling you now. Anyway, so guys, look, that's an inconvenient truth for you. I hope I'm going to put some more money on the bottom line. Alright, well, I'll be talking to you soon because I've got another 2 inconvenient truths that I'll be sharing with you very shortly, and I can't wait to see you on the next video. Bye for now.